Mysterious booming noise has people in several South Nashville neighborhoods concerned and wanting answers. They hear it multiple times each day, and they say it shakes houses and scares their pets. News Channel 5's Emily Luxon is at the smart screen. Emily, what's behind all this?
Well, this appears to be the culprit, a U.S. Postal Service warehouse that's under construction here off of McGavick Pike. Now, I talked to someone who lives here off of Catalina Drive. She says it feels like an earthquake. I also talked to someone who lives all the way out here on Louise Drive who describes the sound as an explosion. And neighbors say they didn't receive any warning this was coming.
It's obnoxious. It's very loud.
A strange sound is echoing through South Nashville.
It, was really short, loud, everything shook, the whole house shook.
William Kozleski hears it multiple times a day in his Woodbine neighborhood.
If I say what it sounded like was somebody picking a big metal dumpster up about 3 stories in the air, just dropping it right in the middle of the street.
5 miles away in the Seven Oaks neighborhood, Cassandra Sotos has been hearing a similar sound.
It's become almost every day and much louder than usual.
The unknown source of the annoying noise has been the focus of multiple discussions on neighborhood Facebook pages.
I don't think anybody here feels like they can do much. We don't even know what it is.
Rock Solutions LLC began construction on the 450,000 square foot Skyhawk U.S. Postal Service warehouse at the end of July. The project involves line drilling and blasting. A spokesperson for the Tennessee Department of Commerce and Insurance says the company is not required to give neighbors notice before blasting, but must post signs and provide a warning sound before beginning work. According to inspections, the blasting is within state compliance for seismograph and decibel measurements. Neighbors disagree.
People's hearing it as far away as, Harding. People hear it way down here off Thompson Lane and Nolensville. They hear it all over the place.
Many worry about the long-term impact on their homes and feel more information should be shared.
I don't think it would be, not within reason to at least notify the people that live in a certain radius to not be alarmed when their house shakes.
Now, Rock Solutions LLC did not respond to my question, so at this point it's still unknown how long this project is going to last. There have been 10 formal complaints filed against the site in the last month, and neighbors can still voice their concerns or report damage to their homes by calling the Tennessee State Fire Marshal's office at the number on your screen, 615-741-7190. Carrie, back to you.
Emily, thank you.